Alright y'all, it is the 6th day of Christmas. We're going to keep this super simple. We're making Oreo Snowballs. For this, you just need some Oreo cookies, some cream cheese, and some powdered sugar. The first thing we're going to do is take our bowl. We're going to drop our cream cheese in this and start getting it to soften. We want this cream cheese to soften for about 20 minutes. And that probably depends on the temperature of your house. So 1 8-ounce brick of cream cheese into our mixing bowl. We're going to let that soften for a little while. And then I'll bring you back. Hi y'all. So we have a bag here with about 36 Oreos in it, give or take. This would be easier in a gallon-sized bag. I just don't have one at the moment. But we're going to go ahead and do our best job to crush these up. We got them crushed up. Let's move over to our cream cheese. So we got our cream cheese here softened up. And go ahead and drop in our Oreos that we just broke up. You know what? We're going to do it this way. And we're just going to go ahead and let this go for a few minutes until it's all well combined. And we got a nice, good mixture. Alright, once we have that mixed into a good mixture, we need to start making some snowballs. Alright y'all. So we got a bowl here with a little bit of powdered sugar in it. We got our bowl with our Oreo and cream cheese mixture in it. Let me go ahead. We just want to roll these into about a 1-inch ball. Give them a toss in that powdered sugar. Just like so. Then we're going to put them on a lined baking sheet. Alright, so once we have them all done, we're going to go ahead and throw these in the fridge for an hour at least. And then once they're set up, you want to keep them refrigerated until you're ready to eat them. Alright y'all, there we have them, Oreo Snowballs. You can go ahead and serve them up. Just remember, they need to be refrigerated until they're ready to go. But if you like this video, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button down below. There's a video over here that YouTube thinks you should watch. And until next time, keep on cooking on.